What up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we have today, you see the black box, red Nike logo across the top. So I'm more than sure you already know it's an Air Jordan 1. So let's check it out. What we have today is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in court purple, sail, and black. Now these retail for $160. They're released on September 22nd, as of today. Now opening the box, you got the plain white paper, but that ain't what we're here to see, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, court purple. Now straight out of the gate, man, I gotta keep it real with y'all, man. The leather on these things is right on par with the shattered backboards and what is it, the top three, I believe. Whichever ones had that high quality leather, man, that good smooth buttery leather, this is it, man. Now looking at the medial side, y'all already see what's happening. You got the court purple, you got the sail, you got the black. There's a look at the back. I mean, it's a dope shoe, man. I'm feeling it. And y'all already know I'm not a fan of Air Jordan 1s, so you can go figure with that. Now these are dope, man. I'm feeling it. Now they come with the court purple outsole, which is dope. These come with some extra laces. Come laced up with black laces, but they have purple laces in the bag. And the bag is clear. There's no Nike branding on the bag or anything. So let's go ahead and look around the shoe, man. There's a look from the front. Top of the toe box. Your tongue. You have the purple with the Nike Air in white. There's a look at the medial side. And there's the back. Like I said, man, you might hear me say this a couple of times in this video, man. These things are dope, man. I'm feeling it. I don't have no complaints at all, man. Now here's the other shoe. There's a look at that Wings logo in black. Here we go, the star attraction of the show, man. That buttery, smooth, soft leather. Look at that, man. This is what it's all about, man. Jordan brand, you need to come with this all the time, man. You're slipping giving us that subpar shit, man. Now here's a look at the insole, man. You got the white insole with the purple Nike Air on the inside. Got your black lining on the inside of the shoe. It's dope, man. You know what I'm saying? Now, like I said, these release on September 22nd. You know, so if you're in the market to get your pair of these, man, go ahead and get everything together however you do it. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get your bots, whatever it is, however you get your shoes, man. But there's a look at both shoes from the front. There's a look at both of them from the back. I mean, overall, man, it's a dope shoe, man. There's the bottom. I don't have no complaints about the shoe, man. And that leather on these things is nice, man. Speaking of leather, man, let's talk about that for a minute, man. This leather that's on these things, man, is A1. This is what we deserve from Jordan brand with every release, man. We paid top dollar for these Jordans, man. Give it to us, man. If you're listening, come on with it, man. Stop giving us this subpar shit, man. But that was my look at the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG court purple. Subscribe to this channel, man. Let's get into the on foot, and I'ma holler back.